My name is Tanti. I'm a coach builder. In my former life, I looked after the Fox Car Museum in Melbourne for 30 years, and I spent time both here and in other parts of the world building high-end early race cars. Some people say I'm a sucker for punishment. It's a very interesting old cars, so they're very easy to fall in love with. I pulled it out of the bush basically, and that was part of the charm. You know, we had to dig it out of where it was and hauled it up onto a trailer and got it out of there. You can be a car collector and love cars, or you can be a car collector that enjoys the journey and the build, and I'm in the latter category. I enjoy taking something from nothing and turning it into something. That to me is just as much fun as actually driving the car. The small table is a very effective system in that it gives you the ability to do a full car or something approximating a full car, you know, full car, full chassis and so on a very small footprint. In a workshop where you have a challenged footprint, this is where this system comes into its own. And it's also on wheels, so it gives you the flexibility of being able to push things around. And what I've found in a smaller shop is that having things on wheels makes life a lot more flexible in terms of how you lay the shop out. I've had this system in the shop now for 8 years. It's just completely flexible, and of course Demmeler is known for its ability to, you know, go together like a Meccano system to be exactly what you want it to be. It's the kind of system that once you understand it, it becomes your go-to ultimate solution and problem-solving platform for building cars. I use it for panel fabrication work. I've used it for straightening and aligning. I've used it for reverse engineering. I was often fielding questions both online and also at events whenever we took the system to an event. People like it as an aspirational model, but they say, oh, it's beyond my capabilities, beyond my reach. And when you break it down next to other pieces of cornerstone equipment in your workshop, in fact, it's very affordable. And once you use it, you find that you have all these gains in efficiency that validates the purchase in the first place. With Leussink, they offer a range of different options in the purchase of the table, which can make it very affordable and very achievable to have the system in their shop. There's really nothing you can't do with that system. And every day you figure back to how you ever got by without it. It's that flexible. They are an engineering company first and foremost. So when you buy into that family of owning that system, there's all the other backup and the problem-solving challenges in terms of engineering that come with it, and they're always no more than a phone call away. And quite often the conversations and the solutions are intelligent ones because they're not just selling a system; they're an engineering company. I enjoy working with my hands. I enjoy making and creating things. Having a table like this in my workshop is akin to being at Disneyland. It's a great system to use, and I love creating with good quality equipment.